Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good morning, good morning. What up, Miss K, Husk, Wesley, Trader 007, Orange Jesus, Clarity. What up, Jackson, Futures Trader, how's it going? Should be interesting, kind of a morning here. Kind of just went up overnight there. Trying to decide what I want to do with the opening range. It's a little bit bigger than I like it. 74 points. Kind of like right back to the where we started at on the week there. Top of Sunday's gap. So if we look at the higher time frame, let's take a look. I also need to look and see if there's any news. I don't know if there is. But we are in a we're in a 4-hour gap here. So if we can close above the highs at 10 a.m., that kind of would lead us to believe that we push up into the 760s, right? We still have that LR there. I mean, like, that's pretty obvious. And it looks like that we should still be running up here. Hourly kind of looking a little more choppy side to side here. Outside of this here. So yeah, maybe a Judah swing down at open, followed by a push up. Your long clarity, let's go. Danny, how's it going? Wayne in the house. Donna. I like long, but I don't know if it goes up here pre-market or not. I mean, obviously, it looks like it's pushing up. I almost took that long off the 83 there on the ES, but did not. Let's see if there's any news today. I think there might be small news. Chicago PMI 945. Wait, yeah, 945. That is red folder. And then we have Michigan consumer sentiment 10 a.m. That is not red folder. All right. That's not red folder. Oh, long from 480. Holy cow, it's a good entry, up 50 points there. Up 50 points. Make sure to protect yourself. Going into open at least. Could just continue higher. We don't know. It's outside the range right now, so we'll see what happens. We shall see. The range on the ES is 10 points, which is a little large for the ES based on what I've seen. I got to sneeze. Man, almost didn't get you guys muted. I got one runner on. Let's go. Almost couldn't get you guys muted in time there. Almost. All right, here we go. See kind of what happens here. Dun, 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 dun. No, Wesley, I don't. I got to I haven't sent you guys the code yet. Oh. Yeah, I didn't send you guys the code yet. Guess we can do that now while we're thinking about it. So yeah, looking for price to go up today. Of course, it could move back down first. That's always, you know. It's always an option. All right. I'm going to check and see how many cells we need for the Take Private Trader giveaway as well. You guys, if you win an account today, you need to use the codes today because they will expire at the end of the month. So don't wait. Do not wait on these codes. Go ahead and use them. Because once they're gone, they're gone. What's up, heads up, eyes low? Tony in the house, smooth operator, Joyce, good morning. So our target did hit last night, guys, on the TPT account there, the 150K we were trading. Up $1,900 on that. Hit the 500 hit on the runner. If you were in the stream last night, you saw. You saw. We got long there. ES breaking above the 93 here. Yeah, ES kind of breaking out here. The 74.98 finally got ran overnight, which was the data. That's the reason why our bias was really long last night, right? We had the data 74.98 right there. And like you can see, like Nasdaq actually hit that data high. And ES was still like right here. So ES still had a ways to go. Did a little bit of a pullback and then finally just grinded into it. Got there at just after 8 o'clock, 8:20. Hit the data high. Took it out. So, yeah. Not bad. We did close it. We did get above 75.06 and we really didn't hold it. We didn't make it stick, but I do think, you know, 75.06 is a key level on the ES there. Morning, Alexi. So yeah, if ES kind of gets above 75.06, it feels like we probably just run to the overnight high of 75.17. That could be like a scary area to look for in long. It could be. It would be like a scary area to look for in long. The problem is, and I actually would not mind this here. I'm considering to take profit traders, considering and are we really just going to squeeze here? Good morning, Punisher. How's it going? I don't know. We'll see kind of what happens here at open. We got less than 5 minutes. I wanted to. I may actually try it over here on another account. Let's do that. One, two, three, four, 29. Try to decide which account I want to take the opening range on. All right, I think I'll take it on the take profit. Let's go to short. Let's change this up a little bit. Short or long. Okay, we'll see if we get an opening range play here. Yes, it's kind of broken out of it as well. Broken out. All right, we'll see if we can't get this trade here. 56.25. Right. 2 minutes. Short. Bam. And we'll see kind of what happens up here. Don't feel like it's. I don't know if it's gonna come back. I really don't know. What up, Ponzi? How's it going? Let's see if this thing comes back at open or not. Got about a minute here. All right. Let's see if it pulls back at open here, gives us a chance to take the long. There's open. Can it pull back deeper than that? Yep, just going, guys. Just going here. Yes, it's 75.06 approaching. Looky outs below. I don't know, man. Come on, squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. Go. I want ES to break the high here at 17. Come on, go. Go. I'm in long on the ES if y'all couldn't tell here. Come on, squeeze it up. Don't you retest. To the moon. I want to see 1750 here, guys. Come on, get through there. I already taken most of my position off, so we'll see if it wants to keep going. Oh, come on. Don't come back down. Squeeze! Oh man, we're off the chart over here. I'm not even looking. We're off the chart. Come on, squeeze it up. Give it to me this morning. Through the 12s. Let's go. Go, 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 go. All right, I'm taking it off. Taking it off there, guys. Taking it off. Make sure I'm out of everything over here. Gonna keep going, most likely. Good morning, Casalisk. All right, that's pretty good. We're up 660 on those accounts on the day, 2,800 on that one. We're still a little over $200 away from the daily payout after that loss we took earlier in the week. So if we find a nice setup, we might take it. That was a bit of a, I'm not going to call it a gamble, but like I talked about it before the market opened. I think if we reclaim 75.06, we go to the high. That's not like a normal trade I might would take. It's just using momentum. What up, Casalisk? Just using momentum there and knowing that, yeah, just that thought process. If we break through there, we probably go to the high. I still think we go to the high on ES here. You can see we broke through 06. I got long, covered one there, and then I tried to leave a runner, but the runner would have gotten us to a very small daily payout, maybe like $80 times 3 or something, but it's okay. I mean, if we're leaving the high there, we could theoretically re-enter this. I could re-enter this off of 06. Let's see. We could actually even size down, right? If you got a little retest here, I could potentially take it, but I would be risking flipping the accounts from green to red if I do that. I don't think it's smart. I don't think it's smart to do that. So, although that is kind of like, I don't think it's a bad, man, I really don't think it's a bad idea. Retested the 06 there. Kind of a little bounce off of it. 2 points, 3 points quickly. Probably do something, Danny. A little twitchy. Probably not going to do much, though. What up, Son of Wall Street? Well, the 06 did not hold. Working its way back below 06. I'm glad I didn't buy that. I'd be over here clinching. I'd be clinching. ES is at the VWAP though, 7,500. I think I could chase here. No, it didn't work. I think I probably now break even on that account. Yeah. Too 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 short of a stop. Too short of a stop there. I'm going to try the pre-orb long there. There we go. That worked. Nice. All right, I got to lose a little bit of money on this TPT account. I just took a big winner on it. I'm up 4,800. So I need to lose $300. So let's go 60 stop loss. 55. There we go. See if this thing will push back lower. There we go. Well, 45.74. Now I need to lose $74. What is that like? Just go like there, 45.50. Come on, you asshole. All right, down to 44.20. It did me kind of dirty there. It took my ATM strategy off. Dude, I missed my 5-minute play today. God dang it. I missed the low of the 5-minute. It paid 50 points. Holy cow. I missed it. I missed the play, guys. I missed it. I can't believe I missed the bottom of the 5-minute candle. I wasn't looking. Woulda done for sure. Is that 27? Stop loss 80. Okay. There we go. Dump right through the bottom of the pre-orb here. I did take that on an eval. On an eval. This thing is just popping right back up off that 82. ES back above, or 83, 82 area. So ES 82 level there, kind of holding for now. Caught 60 points off the 5-minute orb. I'm telling you, Jamie, like I like that 5-minute orb. I never really pay much attention to it, but that thing has been just banging lately. It has just been so good lately. So good lately. Yeah, I missed it today. I mean, look how big that orb is paying. Oh, actually, it didn't even really. Yeah, it really didn't even have too much drawdown. 130 points off that orb. Dang. But there was the 945 candle. Previous day closed, gap fill down there, 330s. Morning business lens. You've been liking it better than the 15, yeah. It seems to move faster, to be honest. If we lose 90 here, man, this thing could really. Get through this 90, it should go down here. Really getting a little twitchy here. Very twitchy here. It looks like it's going to the 330, but good morning, business lens. All right, 333 on deck, yeah. On deck. Let me see where the daily open is on ES. So ES is at the open, 7479. How low do you think it'll go? 330s? I don't really know any more of that. I really have no idea. 333s is kind of like would be the good target to me. So all right, there's the gap fill. There's the gap fill. The gap fill. Trading star in the house. So ES back through 82. Key level there on ES was 82. Couldn't hold it. I can't believe ES did not take the high. Nasdaq did take the overnight high, though. So we did have an SMT at the high there. Didn't notice that in real time, but that's okay. ES was 2 points off the high. Didn't take it. Overnight low at 74.68 for the ES. Overnight low 304 for the NQ. So now let's see what happens after we fill that gap. Do we sweep that overnight low? Do we sweep the overnight low? 74.68 on the ES. Man, I'm glad I took profit on my long. We do have news here shortly, guys. Remember, at 10 a.m. in about 10 minutes, a little bit of news. Kind of bouncing up here, a little pop. Oh, shoot, I forgot all about that. I was going to watch my friend trade today, and I pulled it up pre-market, but he wasn't on yet. He's still not on. Guess maybe he's not on today. Okay. Still did not take the lows, guys. Did not take the lows. His name's DGen on here, Weeks. He's on TikTok. I catch him trading at night all the time, but I've never gotten to watch him during New York, so I wanted to check him out, and I forgot. Again, I'm going to try to be patient here. We do got news coming up in about 7 minutes here. This puts in a 2-minute OB here, though I could take a shot at the low. Your quantitator is all messed up with nothing on Rhythmic is loading. That sucks. Mine's working fine, but I don't... Do I have a Rhythmic connection? Mine's DX feed. Did I update Ninja? No. Clarity, I rarely update Ninja. Rarely. Very rarely. Seven seconds. There we go. Let's move on to the next. Now we're sweeping the 4-hour low or the overnight low here. Did ES sweep it? So didn't ES sweep the low? I can't tell. Yeah, I think it did. Did ES sweep the low there? Yeah, it did. I'm going to stab a little long here on the ES, I think. I'm going to try a quick long. Off the sweep of the 4 hour or the overnight, just see if it can go. Not going right now. Got in a little late here. I'm going to break even at 77.50 here. I got in ultra late on this. It already bounced basically 10 points. Almost 10 points. I really recognize it a little too late, but all right, back above that high there. I'm going to go break even. There we go. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Let's go. Alexi's Rhythmic is working fine. What up, JDL? Two eight. And then 2.5 and 2.6. I've noticed, I mean, I think Husk mentioned this to me a couple of times too. As ES sweeps the overnight high and the overnight low, or the previous day high and the previous day low, you get pretty big bounces off those levels. So as you can see, we swept it there, and as soon as we got back above that 70, I mean, we squeezed right up to 80 there, 10 points. We got news in less than 2 minutes, guys. Less than 2 minutes. Push back up to that 9 EMA there on the 2 minute, kind of rejecting it. Kind of rejecting it. Back down the previous day close. I would actually long here. I would actually long here, guys, if it wasn't news coming up in a minute here. The 333 area, I think, is a really good spot to look for 10 or 15 points. But with the news coming up, I'm going to sit it out. All right, news in 20 seconds, guys. If you're in a position, protect yourself before you wreck yourself. Don't let the market do it to you. Don't let it do it to you. Here's the news. Had way too tight of a stop on that short I tried there earlier. Just wicked back up. I had a 20-point stop. It wicked up 23, 25 points. Where do I get my news, Russ Water? I get it on investing.com. I know most people use whatever it's called. But I don't know. I've always used investing.com, so that's what I use. Most people use the other one. It's the most popular, but I don't remember what it was called. Someone can tell me in the chat. I'm drawing a blank on it right now. Financial Juice, yeah, that's it. All right, we're moving lower, guys. Moving lower here off that news. Oh, yeah, Forex Factory or Financial Juice. Yeah, one of those. They're probably very similar to each other. Oh, man. Another sweep of the low. My FX book. I haven't heard of that one. What happened, Weeks? Triple X News. Oh, yeah, room. Miss K in the house. Man, we're so high above. I don't even remember. I don't even remember what the newsletter said. Because like we were just so high above. I think 58 might have been a level. Let me look right quick and see. I think 58 might have been a level, but it may have been one from the other day. I don't have it marked out though. No, actually it wasn't. I'm sorry. 7,400 is our next level. 7,400 bonus if we tap 73.93. Then below there, 73.53 is a high quality, and 73.24. Yeah. So I was confusing that with the lower one there. So yeah, not much to do, really, at all. Just be careful, wait, see if we find a spot, take a few scalps here and there. Alexi, I did get my code finally with the trading pit, by the way. MM is the code. They didn't get back with me until this morning, which is insane, on the chat. Took them 24 hours to get back with me on the chat. Or not 24, like 12. So yeah, my trading pit code is now active. Code MM. You know, I know you say you're going to pick them up yesterday, but if you didn't, whatever. It's up to you. Also, let me check Take Profit Trader, guys. I meant to look at that a minute ago, too. See if we had any rebills or anything come in overnight. Business lens, how long will I trade? Well, till probably 11:15, something like that. No real rebills coming in overnight. Maybe one. Yeah, it looks like maybe one. Let's see what we need. I think we're 4 away. Yeah. 4 away. 4 should get it done. Also, the last day for the 50% off on My Funded Futures, guys. Remember, they got the Rapid, the Pro, and the Builder, all 50% off. You get 2 uses for each account, code MM. So 2 uses for the Rapid, 2 uses for the Builder, 2 uses for the Pro. It's not just 2 uses for one of the 3. You can use 2 uses on all of them for 50% off. The Builder account, the 25K, is only $52. You can pass it in one day, and yeah, and then you got to trade 2 days to get to payout, right? Pretty good deal. Pretty good deal there. I don't remember what the profit target is on the Builder, though. Is it 12? Is it 1500, or is it? I can't remember. I think it's 1500 in eval, and then you've only got to get above 1,000 to start taking the payouts every 2 days. So, and this thing is just continuing lower, guys. I mean, like, we ran the levels to the upside that I wanted us to run, which was the 501. I kind of thought we'd run the 780s, though, to be honest. Kind of thought we would. Oh, you missed out on a giveaway, Adam? That sucks. From El Tigre. El Tigre. El Tigre. Mr. Stock Tiger. I haven't talked to Stock Tiger in a while. I probably need to reach out to him and just see what he's up to. See how he's doing. Haven't heard back from the funded seat yet. Let me see. Did they send me an email? Nope. Way to come down after the previous day high. Yeah. Swept it and just came down from there. But I did think we were going to sweep the 782s. I mean, that overnight high there just got. We did sweep the overnight high, which is good enough, but it's not working. What the hell? She just messaged me this morning. What is it called? What is that texting app called that people use overseas? I'm drawing a blank on everything this morning, guys. Oh, WhatsApp. There it is. She was texting me on WhatsApp and said she had it all set up. Let me make sure. Let me see. She said, here is the link to the dashboard. Please reset your password in order to be able to log in. I'm definitely not going to click the link. All right, I'm messaging him now. They messaged me on WhatsApp, even though, I mean, I guess that's normal. I don't know. 12-year-old laptop still working good. Let's go. I don't know how my computer's probably 6 years old here. Holy cow, guys. We just freaking plummeted down almost 60 points right there on those 280 points. Look at this thing go down all the way down to the 39s. At what point do we just blindly short? Never. That's how we get ourselves in trouble. Oh. 33 is the next support down. So I mean, I'm tempted to just hit the short button over here. I really am. But I don't know if I want to play that game. You're shorting the pullbacks, so I'm thinking about Rune, but we are awfully low. Back up to 150 here. Really? $26. All right, pretty big push back up. Would have passed an eval 10 times over if you put on a mini. Yeah, for sure. Are we going to pop back to the 240s here? Potentially. Back to this 2-minute gap. All right. 26. Shake and bake. All right, let's see here. Lucid Flex. Is that one? Does that really have 45? I don't know. Hey, tour is 95. Holy cow. Yeah, mine's 75 on the 2-minute here. That is insanity, huh? Very much insanity. I mean, yes, it's holding up here at the 33. I feel like we might get a pop higher. I really don't want to fight the downtrend, though, but Come on. I just tried along and it like literally one ticked me. All right, finally got through there. Finally got through there. Just a dump. Perfect. Just to dump. Perfecto. I mean, yes, bouncing off that 33 level there. We are holding up there. We lose 33, probably going to be going down pretty hefty here. Your Villanix connection shot the bed. Had to switch from Chicago to get data. Mine seems to be working okay. I don't know. Seems to be working all right, but you know how that goes. You know how it goes. I mean, ES is holding the 33, 34 area here pretty hefty. Pretty solidly. Zoom in a little bit here, guys. Zoom in a little bit here. Look at the 5 minutes, see what it's looking like. Push back to 190s potentially. I actually don't mind a short at 190. We've got a couple of things there that make sense. I'm going to try a short at 190, I think. What I'm going to do is we'll put it like this. We might hit the back door on it. Oh, come on. Just rip my face off there, guys. Well, I wanted to try it room because we have the 9 EMA, we have a 5 minute, we have like 3 things right there at the 90. I should have took it through the back door, I think. A lot of reasons to think this goes back down here, but I'll try it. There we go. Quick $200. I do need to size down here. Size down. Yeah, there's a lot of reason to think this goes down here. Like, you have a 2-minute, you have a 5-minute, we have the 9 EMA. You know, ES kind of hitting that 39 level there. It did get above it. I should have taken the problem is the ATR so high here. I need to size down, and I actually need to take, let's take these targets up a little bit here. And back through 90. Nice little volatility pickup. Last good entry was the 25 failed breakdown Wednesday, paid 190 points. 82 was the first down week. Sell below, we lost it, and down we went. Reclaim takes us to 58. Do we take a 58 reclaim? Do we take this to 58? CC, very tough, man, as far as the stop. Let's see, 74.58. This message doesn't make much sense. I was trying to read it, and like it doesn't make sense. It says, let me read it to you. Nice little volatility pickup. 73.25 was the last one. 82 was first support week. We bounced 40 points there. Then I posted we sell below. We lost it and we went down. Reclaim takes us to 74.58. Reclaim of what? 74.58. I mean, 33. Yeah, I don't know. $74.47 maybe. 2 minute just absolutely getting wrecked here, guys. We did not close above the 5, so that's why I didn't even consider taking that, but Tom Sabo to the rescue. Tom Sabo to the rescue. Short till it doesn't work. Could be a good point. They're saying my code's not ready yet. Said, oh, I'll give you my code until they give you yours. No. That'd be a negative. I need to take that account off there. Let me manage this. Save. Made a mistake right there, guys. I tried to long the ES, but I was still in that other account that I can't go anymore on that account. So I had to exit the trade. I guess I could have just lost money on it, but it just hit my target. God dang it. Would have hit daily payout there. That's okay. That's all right. Yeah, I took the long on the ES on kind of the recovery of 47, kind of what Mancini was talking about there, but didn't yeah, yeah. Would have hit the target. I could re-enter here. Harry Tom wins. Yeah. A little bit of an annoyance there. Oh, well, what are you going to do? They hit the target there with basically no drawdown. Oh, well. I could technically re-enter a retest of 47. It's not going to be as good. Yeah, is what it is. So I'm $148 away from the $148 away from the daily payout. I could just not worry about it today and just come back on Sunday and find a spot. But that was a decent spot to long, and I took it, but I missed it. Yeah, clarity. I do the same thing, as you know. I do the same thing. And there's the 59 on the ES. $60. Push back through 60 here. Go back through 60. I could. You tilted hard today, Weeks? That sucks, man. We all do it. We all do it. Well, I thought above 60 there we'd go. We just did not do it. Didn't want to do it yet. Whipping back and forth hard here. Yeah, it's choppy. I'm going to try this right here, guys. I'm going to try a little stab long here. I think we get the push back up. I'm going to go stop to break even above 60 here would be the idea. I think my stop will be here. So stop to break even will be at like 60. Right there. All right. There we go. The Hungarian trap. All right, we're up 435 on the builder. I think that's about where we were when we started the day, unfortunately. Yes, all the way up to 62 here. I mean, this a little sickening there, guys. Like, a little sickening, right? I entered there. Looking for 5 points. You can see no drawdown. No drawdown there. Never moved the stop. It was up like 300 bucks, and I realized that I was in the eval account as well. I was in the eval account as well, so I guess I should have just left it on and just lost money. On the eval, but in time, or in the real time, I was like, oh, I got time to close it and then take the eval off. But oh, much better at picking spots today than I have the last couple of weeks. Not couple of weeks, last couple of days, we'll say. We'll say that. I don't know if this person actually works for the trading pit now. I'm skeptical. The Hungarian trap is real. I hear a lawnmower outside. That better not be at my house. That's all I know. Okay. I feel a little bad about missing out on that trade, but I'm okay. It's one thing if you're green and you miss a trade, right? That would have worked. But if you're red and you miss a trade that would have worked, it hurts much more. It hurts much more. Man, I'm looking for like one more 10-point trade over here on this account. ATR's all the way down to 60. I mean, that's, you know. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Just get through the high. Come on. Get through the high. Oh, come on. Go. 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 God dang it. Get through there. It's not doing it, guys. Just go. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. You are, in fact, the man. You the man. Let's look at the fib perspective from the opening, guys. 400 is your 50% level. Well, I guess we already knew that. It's marked out. Ha! 400. I'm going to take a peek outside, guys, and I need to use the bathroom right quick. So, be right back. I don't know. I hear a lawnmower, but I don't see one. I don't see a lawnmower. Max also does. And he's in the barking mode because I opened the door. It's weird. I hear a lawnmower, but I don't see one. I don't see anybody cutting grass out there at all. We got 30 seconds left on this candle. Let's see here. We're looking to get 10 more points on two accounts if we can find it. All right, I'm taking the max long call out here. Can we hit it? Come on, Max, hit it. Hit it for me, Max. Oh, no. Come on, Max. Bro, you said long. Max said long. You didn't say short. Get up there. Come on. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Stop's going to be moved quickly here, guys. Very quickly. Go. Hit it. Come on. What the who, man? You. Ah. What's my favorite from My Fun and Futures? I don't know. I like the builder. Man, that sucks, man. I needed that one trade. I like the flex as my favorite, but the builder is good as well. Dang, I guess I should have went break even there. Should have went break even. I mean, it was right there. You know, it was like 2 ticks away from my take profit. All right, just got the loss back. My Fun and Futures or TPT. I like TPT better because of the daily payouts. I like the little bit. I know My Fun and Futures has the rapid, which is daily payout as well. But I like the daily payout on Take Profit Trader a little better because you can move any amount of money into your wallet and it's safe, right? Now, as far as speed of the payout and removal of the money, it only takes Take Profit Trader. It's instantly moved out of your account and you can trade. But the dashboard does update a little faster on My Fun and Futures. It's ready to go by 6 o'clock. So you're clipping it and sending it to them. It's okay. We can have an opinion. So, but yeah, but they're both very good. But it really just depends on which one kind of fits your trading style, right? Recently, I've been making more than $500 per account per day. So I guess there is an argument for me to be made if I did get some rapid accounts, but maybe the bigger rapid accounts, right? Instead of going to 50K, the other ones, maybe I would, let me see. Because they have the 150K rapid. It's not that expensive either. It's like 174. Very similar. And it is a 90-10 split instead of the other way around. Instead of an 80-20. But there's a lot to like there for both. I do think the My Fun and Futures Flex account's one of the easiest accounts to get to pay out with, theoretically. Oh, you agree? All right. Okay. Max agrees. But they're like 1A, 1B. Like they're both very, very good, right? So really just depends. The builder account is a little bit surprising to me because you can pass it in one day. I didn't really know a lot about the builder, to be honest with you. When you could only have one, I really didn't look at it. So you could have 2 25K builders and 1 50K builder. You can take a payout every 2 days. Your buffer is only $1,100. So that's kind of nice too. Have we hit the like button today? Yeah, we did all right. Hitting the like button. I'm trying to find one more 10-point trade. That's what I just tried to do. Gave all my profit back and then had to hit the full port. I mean, look at the ES all the way back up above 74 here. Off my 50, off of my my 51 buy. It's only up 25 points. Great. Great. Oh, this is a spot where I might look. Oh, man. I kind of want to short here. So scary to short here. All right, I'm gonna try a little backdoor short. Hopefully it doesn't rip my face off. Oh, I moved the stop and it stopped me out, and then it just went. All right, that's okay. Now it pays. You dirty. Oh man, it's so dirty. It gave me the 10. It gave me the 10. I just noticed that outside bar on the 5 I missed too. It tilted you this morning. I said F you and blew your account. Oh, that sucks, Miss K. Listen, easy to do today. Easy to do. Not only from tilt, um, just from the ATR being so high, right? And for whatever reason, when the ATR is this high, for whatever reason, I don't know what it is, I like to size up. A little bit of a pullback there. You're in short NQ 28,271. I mean, it could go back down. I think it's going to go up to 400 first, personally, but I could be wrong. I haven't really looked at the ES to see what the retracement would be on the ES, to be honest. I mean, we're holding that 50. Pretty strong. We're holding it pretty strong here, guys. Now we're not holding it. It took it a minute for that 50 EMA to pay, but Patrick is so crazy. He is so crazy. Well, there's the pullback, Rumo. My funded TV calling me. Yeah, I'll be there in a few. Come on, rip it. Get through 300 here. God. R.I.P. Maxie, why are we barking so much? Come on, hit it. Such an annoyance, guys. Look at that thing here rip right back up. Rip right back up. It came like 2 points for my take profit. It didn't get it. That's why I was yelling at it. As Max is over here going crazy barking. Funny thing is, like, he don't even hear the lawnmower until I mention it, you know. You got to be kidding me. Yeah. What the hell? Why does it not have an ATM on there? Why is there not an ATM? Top of the hour in a minute. I mean, is this thing going to rip up here at the top of the hour? See, this thing rips up at the top of the hour. I feel like it might. I do not know what in the heck is going on over here. I mean, what is going on? I don't understand that. For whatever reason, the ATM strategies keep disappearing over here on Ninja. They just keep disappearing. '21 EMA is still just a brick wall here. See, I don't know what's going on there. It keeps taking my ATM off. Can this thing push back up? Get back above 330s. We'll do the giveaway in just a minute, guys. Fucking, this thing is so annoying. It keeps taking my ATM strategy off there. I'm so annoyed by that. So the reason why I like the ATM strategy on there because it leaves a runner on. And I don't really do that when I have to just put the orders in there. So it's kind of an annoyance. Come on, get through the 21 this time. Squeeze this thing. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. What the hell? I'm over here trying to lose money because I'm over the consistency and it's not working. It's not working, guys. Well, it was that easy to get 30 points when I'm needed to 30 points. Because I'm ignoring the max signals? Yeah. What are they talking about, Hero? It wouldn't let me take the trade in the other one, though. Dude, this is insane. I'm literally trying to lose money here, guys. I want it to hit my stop. Obviously not concerned with it. We can lose money, no problem. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway right quick while we're waiting on this. Where's it at? Let me refresh it. The reason to hold. No, I don't want to hold Mighty Mouse. I want to be out. All right, we're going to get 1 minute on the clock here. 1 minute on the clock. Exclamation point MM, go. You got to be kidding me, man. You got to be kidding me. That's insane, guys. Let me add to my loser. All right, guys, come on. Let's do the giveaway right quick. Also got another one I got to lose money on. All right, first entry, Mr. Ben. Anna, an Us trader. Chai, Q. Profit Bolt, God's Grace. TD Trader. Impatient trades. Yusuf. Straw Hat. Joyman. Prince of stock. And last person, Danny. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Go. Guys, this is so crazy. It's so crazy this thing is still going. Oh, shoot. Yusuf in the lead. Let's go. Smooth, you must have missed it. Yusuf with the win. Congratulations. Yusuf, send me an email, methodicalman@gmail.com. Include your YouTube channel showing that you're logged in. Click in the top right-hand corner. Screenshot it. Send that over to me. We'll get the account over to you. Do appreciate you. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. Let me see, did I get out on that other account? Hold on. Are we out? Which one? Heck no. All right, I got out of that one. I'm still over by $15. What is $15? It's like 30 ticks. So let's, man, do I buy here? Oh, do I buy or do I sell? If I buy, it's going to go up. Come on, get up there. I just made more money, man. All right, I'm going to have to mess with that later on. That's going to do it for me, guys. I guess I'll show you guys the P&L here for the day. Did all right. Did all right. We're up 659, 720, 720, 720, 44.80. And then over here up 435. So if you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We'll be on My Funded TV here in just a few minutes. I do appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect your ass. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, hear army fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs with stun alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.